Hello everyone. Teamviewer is a web-based remote desktop application that is free to use for personal use, or they have different pricing plans if it's for a business, on business of some kind. Today's walkthrough will be how to do for personal use on Windows 10 device. First, you're going to go open your preferred internet browser. You're going to search for TeamViewer, and here the first thing that came up was teamviewer.com. You're going to click there. And as you can see, they have plans for business use and then they have download for free for private non-commercial use. This is my personal laptop, so we're going to be doing it for free non-commercial use. You click download. The download box will come up asking you if you want to save file. Since I'm using Firefox, it's going to come up like this. I'll click save file, and then I'll come over here to the downloads icon. Another download box will come up momentarily. And here are different options for download. I'm going to do the default installation this afterwards. Once the install finishes, it will pull up its end-user license agreement. You can click here and just read them, see it and read it yourself. I've already read them, so I'm just going to click accept. And now that it's fully loaded, what you will see here is the ID for the computer itself, then a password. So if you're giving, then a password for giving somebody else access to the device. I have it set up on another computer, so you can see if you're accessing another computer. Let's say you're at the office and you're trying to log into your home computer. You're going to need the ID that you have in your profile first, which is the one I have set up. Is going to be this right here. And it's going to pop up a box asking for a password. In this case, it's a temporary password. And there we go. You can log into their computer, and it's going to show this what's on the screen. I already have some screens hooked up. You can click on different things. The web browser, if you wanted to, you can basically see whatever you want to on the computer. This is their pricing plan for commercial use. You have that viewpoint there. It's going to show up your session in TeamViewer. So let's say I was at my home computer doing something. I can cut you off instead of letting you log in. I can message you and be like, "Hey, hold on just a second. I'm doing something." Anything like that. This is the same little messages that they have pop up. You can transfer files back and forth. You can take a screenshot. You can record the sessions. You can print something. You can end the session. You can lock it in place. Screen lock basically. You can disable input for the other user, for your user. You can select which monitor if they have multiple monitors. You can change the aspect ratio, the screen resolution, and here's where you can communicate with the other person, chat, video call, call the internet, all that fun stuff like that. Let's disconnect. And inside this portal, if you were signed in, which I have no account, so give me just a second. Okay, if this is the first time signing in, it's going to send you an email asking you to confirm this device. When you go to your email, it's going to ask you if you trust this device. It's going to give the IP number and the device name of it. Just click trust, and you'll come back over to this screen and you'll enter in your password again. Click sign in. And then when you sign in, it's going to show your connected devices and your different sessions that you've done through it. And you can go to your remote console and you can change your password and your computer ID. You can change your settings. You can set up file transfer, remote control from